you are on your road to content writing made easy. I know you've seen the demos. I know you've seen all the things about our new tool that is going to help you take your content to the next level and a lot easier and a lot less effort than you've ever been, ever done before. No need to hire a copywriter, no need to stare at a blank page or screen and try to get it done. This tool is going to help you take what's in here and what's in here and put it out there for the world to see, the world to read, and of course, because we talk SEO, for the world to find and for Google to find. So let me give you a quick demo of how My SEO Writer works and how it is going to make your content creation life so much easier. So this is our dashboard area, and you'll see there are a number of things you can do here, like track your monthly metrics and tutorials and support that are going to help guide you through everything. But the real fun happens here in our content flows library. There are a few content flows that are coming soon to me. We've been already there by the time you guys get your hands on the tool, get in here. But I'm going to show you one of our shorter ones, our blog post titles. So you can do two main things with My SEO Writer. One is to create full content. So you can create a full blog post, a full page, full content. Whatever you need, you'll be able to write it. You see, we have podcast show notes for my podcaster friends. Anything that you need to write, we're going to be putting those flows in here, and you can create full content that you can copy and paste and put right on your site. The other thing which the users already have loved so much is the blog post ideas and ideas and topics and titles that you can get around your niche if you're a B2C company, but different types of businesses. So this can give you ideas of what you can create that we already know is going to help you show up in search and already know it's going to do really well. So I just clicked on the blog titles for posts about your niche, and I'll tell you, one of our users recently did this with her information, and she was able to create all of her fourth quarter content ideas pretty much just by doing this. So imagine your whole content calendar written for you, already ready, set, go. All she had to do was fill out the questions. So you're going to fill out the questions. What's your niche? We'll say my niche is blogging. And what keywords describe your business? We'll talk about backlinks. I'm going to just speed this up a bit so you guys don't have to watch me do all the typing. Right, once you filled it in, you're going to hit create content. And when you hit create content, it goes behind the scenes, pulls out the titles for you, and these are the titles that you can they've come up with based on the answers that you have put in. And you can use this over and over and over again, giving it different answers with other sets of titles. So you'll be able to get other titles and topics. And like I said, one of our users was already able to just pull this out and create all of her blog post titles for the fourth quarter. So she created her entire content calendar just by using the tool. So that's just one of the content flows. And then we have like the podcast show notes, we have the call to action snippets, and this will be able to create your content for you. So I look forward to seeing you. Check out more about the My SEO Writer tool.